it deleted the first part of my whole video, so I just had to start from the middle. Oh well. Mmm. Mmm. I got the Subway BMT, which is the Black Forest ham, salami, and pepperoni. I had this yesterday, but I got turkey instead. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. I went for my walk this morning, and Lord knows I did not want to get up. Oh my God. But I'm so happy that I went. I feel so much better. I feel more energized and everything. I'm sorry that I'm recording like this, but the reason why I'm recording like this is because I don't have my tripod yet. So when I order it, I'm going to do more mukbang videos. I don't know what you guys want to see though. Mm. I told y'all I made a second channel, but I don't have no subscribers on that channel yet. I uploaded a couple of videos, but I got a couple of views and stuff like that, but I don't have any subscribers. But I'm trying to see whether or not if I want to post this on my first channel or my second channel, because I'm trying to grow my second channel, but I definitely have to post more. So I might post this on my second channel. My first channel, I have a different audience, so I might just post it on my second channel because I'm trying to excuse me, I'm trying to grow that channel. Mm. Mm. It's so good. I think mukbangs are the thing for me because I love to eat. And I feel like I have a lot to talk about because I have so much going on inside of my head that I just want to share with everybody. But mm, 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 mm. me leaning me leaning like this is really hurting my shoulder, but I'm gonna stick it out for you guys. But I wanted to talk about a couple of things. Um, I'm just really happy where my life is going right now, and I feel really blessed, and I'm just happy, and I feel like God has a lot in store for me. So overall, I'm just in a happy place. But I wanted to talk about something. This particular YouTuber, mm, and she's a popular mukbanger, and her name is Beloved. And to be honest, a lot of people are not gonna like what I have to say, but I'm gonna say it anyways. because I used to be a fan of Be Love, but I feel like she's really changed. She's not as laid back as she used to be. She's not as humble. And, you know, in her comment section, you know, a lot of people are basically saying the same thing that I'm saying. They're saying how she's changed. She's not the same person. And they feel like she has a cocky attitude, as if I'm better than everybody. And a lot of people can't stand the way that she treats her husband, Nate. And I do feel like she has changed. And when Eat with Q came out with her video, she said a mouthful about Be Loved, but nobody wanted to believe her. So Be Love's fans, they dragged her in the comments. And a lot of people have unsubscribed from Eat with Q, and they constantly, you know, put negative comments in her comment section. But, you know, after these past couple of weeks of observing Be Loved, I kind of understand where Q was coming from. Because the way that her attitude is now, she's just not a likable person. And that right there, where you have to forget, you have to remember where you came from. You have to remember that if it wasn't for your fans, if it wasn't for us, there would be no Be Love. But they put cucumbers on my sandwich and I didn't ask for that. And they didn't add no tomatoes. But I ain't gonna complain. But yeah, a lot of people are saying that she's starting to act real shady, real snobby. And, you know, I heard a lot of people say that she was being mean to some of her fans when they would say something in her comment section. And I just feel like maybe Q was telling the truth about her. You know what I'm saying? But there's a lot of big YouTubers out there that aren't humble the way that they used to be. They're not laid back the way that they used to be. So, you know, that's that. But I feel like one of the YouTubers that I really respect, because she's still humble and she hasn't forgot where she came from, is Queen Niger. And you can say what you want to say about Queen, but she has a really nice personality, and she's always nice to her fans, you know? And she don't have this almighty high attitude as if she's better than other people. So that's what I really respect about her, because if I was to become a big YouTuber, you know, and I had a chance to collab with certain people, she'll be one of the people that I would collab with, you know. But I don't like snotty people. I don't like snooty people. I don't like people that think that they're better than other people, you know. It's just not a good look. Like, your personality says a lot about you, so, you know, don't ever forget where you came from. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I know you want some. I know you do. It's okay. One of the things that's really helping me lose weight is the OMAD diet. And that's when you eat once a day. You eat one big meal once a day. And it's been working for me because I don't have like a large appetite, but when I'm hungry, I want to eat something good. So that's really been working for me. Like, this is probably going to be the only thing that I eat today. And I'm not going to feel hungry after this. So it works for me. I don't know if I'm going to post this on my first YouTube channel. I think I might put it on my second YouTube channel because I'm trying to grow it. I don't have any subscribers right now, but I've uploaded some videos and they have views on them. So I know that consistency and good content is key to like growing your YouTube channel. So I'm going to post it on my second YouTube channel because if I post it on my first YouTube channel, I have a different audience. So I'm not going to really bring in, different viewers. I am, but, I don't want to post this content on there. One of my weaknesses, one of my my weaknesses is like I don't have patience because I'm a Gemini and I tend to want things to happen quickly, and my thoughts are always racing because and I try to do too many things at once, and I can't complete like one task or one project that I'm trying to do because I feel like it's so much to do. But I understand like when it comes down to being successful that you have to have patience. Things are not going to work overnight. Mm. Mm. The way that I stick to like a good diet is I don't deprive myself. If I want a slice of pizza, I eat it. If I want a cheeseburger, I eat it. If I want some cookies, I eat it. I just don't overdo it. I know my limits and I don't overdo it. I don't overeat, but if you deprive yourself of certain foods, you're going to be miserable and you're not going to want to commit to certain things. So when you're trying to lose weight, don't deprive yourself. That's key. Mm. I'm not really a TV person, but When I was younger, I used to watch like a lot of TV. And I think that I might, start doing like some movie reviews. Cause there's a couple of movies that I want to review with you guys that I watched in the past, so I'm gonna do some of those. But I have to wait till I get my tripod. Another thing about the whole Be Love situation, I feel like she's very snotty towards her husband. And I'm like, if it wasn't for your husband, you wouldn't be where you're at, because he does all the hard work for you. All you're doing is sitting in front of the camera and eating, yapping your gums and stuff. And I'm not hating on your success. I'm not hating on the fact that you're getting money. I'm not hating on that. I'm just saying to humble yourself, because you're starting to look real crazy out here on these streets, and people are really starting to believe what Q had to say about you. So humble thyself, because you don't know how many women wish they had a man like Nate to do those things for them. Like, all you have to do is sit in front of the camera and eat and talk. But he's doing all the editing and he's doing all the camera work. So, you know, to sit there and bash your husband the way you do, especially in front of people, like in front of a big audience. If you're gonna do things like that, you at least keep it behind closed doors. If I had a husband or anybody like that in my life, I would never bash them, especially in front of like a large audience. And I don't care if I get comments talking about me or saying that I shouldn't be talking about her, but it's my channel and I'm entitled to my opinion, and I'll say whatever I want. Mm. But YouTube is a large platform, and it gives people the ability to come on here and express themselves, to be themselves, to promote their products. So I'm happy about anybody that's doing good, that's successful. Keep pushing. You might not have the views, the subscribers that you want, but keep pushing and have patience. And don't let people tell you what you can and can't do. You're not going to get it right the first time, but as long as you keep trying, you'll eventually get there. Don't let the haters get to you. I'll let my haters be my motivators. Oh, what? You said I can't do such and such? Watch me. Mm. Mm. But I think that I've